Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to disable Gemini AI shortcuts in Google Chrome. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is up and running, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the window. You'll notice 3 vertical dots there, which is your menu icon. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various browser options and settings. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for the option labeled Settings and click on it. This will take you to Chrome's main settings page where you can customize and manage all aspects of your browser's behavior and features. Once you're in the settings page, look at the left side of your screen. You'll see a navigation panel with different categories. Find and click on Search Engine from this list. This section controls how Chrome handles your search queries and which search tools are integrated into your browser. Within the Search Engine section, you'll see several options related to search functionality. Look for an option that says Manage Search Engine and Site Search and click on it. This opens up a more detailed view where you can see all the search engines and site searches that Chrome has access to, including any AI shortcuts that have been added. Now scroll down until you locate the section labeled Site Search. This is where Chrome stores shortcuts to specific site searches, including the Gemini AI integration. Under this section, you should be able to find an entry called Gemini. This is the shortcut that allows quick access to Gemini AI directly from your Chrome address bar. Next to the Gemini entry, you'll see 3 vertical dots on the right side. Click on these 3 dots to open a small menu with additional options for managing this particular search shortcut. From the menu that appears, click on Deactivate. This will immediately disable the Gemini AI shortcut from your Chrome browser. Once deactivated, you won't see Gemini suggestions or shortcuts appearing in your address bar anymore, giving you a cleaner browsing experience without the AI integration. And that's it! You've successfully disabled the Gemini AI shortcuts in Google Chrome, removing that feature from your browser's search functionality. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.